Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to a DaVinci Resolve. So we have pretty much three methods. So I will show you this easiest one. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So the first method is the fastest method when building uh, basically anything. So yeah, what you need to do, simply drag and drop a style. So you will need to search for your photos on your computer, and then what you're going to do is just select photos which you want to import into DaVinci photo editor and just drop it right over here. And just like that, we have it now, our photos in photo editor. This is the method number one. So now the method number two is import media menu shortcut. So what we need to do is go to the media page right here. Now click inside the media pool. So we have here, right click on it, and what you're going to do is you can add new location, search for that location on your computer, like so, select folder, and you will see right here the images. And just like so, you have basically added image to DaVinci Resolve, and you can use it now here in photo editor. All right, the bonus one. So if you are using the dedicated photo editor layout to edit standalone pictures file without a video timeline, click on the photo page as I showed you. Look at the library albums. So we have library albums. Drag your raw image negatives or JPEG directly into this panel to catalog them into a Lightroom style database. So what you need to do is you can drag it down here, and as you can see, now we have it right here. And yeah, this is basically pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next